Welcome back to Spy Garage.
With its cutting-edge multi-flex floor plan intended for maximum adaptability, the 2027 GMC Raptor 4x4 multi-flex hauler RV ushers in a new age of versatility and capability in the recreational vehicle market. This is more than just an RV. It's a strong hauler built with GMC's tough DNA, providing an unmatched combination of intelligent living space and towing capability. The 2027 GMC Raptor's groundbreaking multi-flex floor concept is its defining feature. The internal area is rearranged by this creative design to accommodate a range of purposes, including sleeping, living, and carrying. Transformable living/sleeping area. The main living area is made to be very flexible. The sofa and dining space may be converted into a roomy sleeping area that can accommodate several guests with a single button press. On the other hand, when set up for living, it provides a cozy living area with lots of seating and entertainment choices. The hauler component. Its multi-flex component includes the ability to haul. A smartly integrated, retractable cargo bed system in the back is a major innovation. You can use this area to transport motorcycles, ATVs, and other adventure equipment. It may be easily retractable or transformed into an additional patio space with outdoor kitchen features when not being used for carrying. Ingenious storage options. The Raptor 4x4 has been designed with storage in mind. All of your equipment has a place thanks to vertically integrated cabinets, hidden compartments, and underfloor storage, which keeps the living areas clutter-free. This RV is designed for adventure, as indicated by its Raptor 4x4 designation. It has the renowned truck engineering of GMC, which guarantees strong performance and all-terrain competence. Powertrain. Be prepared for a strong Duramax diesel engine that produces remarkable torque for hauling large objects, such as a trailer or another car, or just negotiating difficult off-road conditions. With its optimum traction design, the 4x4 system offers confidence in a variety of driving and weather situations. Towing capability. With a high towing capability, the Raptor 4x4 is designed to be a true hauler. This increases the opportunities for adventure by enabling RVers to bring all of their equipment, including dirt bikes, ATVs, and boats. Rugged construction. The Raptor 4x4 is made to resist the rigors of long-distance driving and off-road exploration thanks to its reinforced chassis components and heavy-duty materials. Comfort and technology are not sacrificed in the 2027 GMC Raptor 4x4 multi-flex hauler RV, despite its practical advantages. Smart home integration. Using a central touchscreen or a mobile app, a sophisticated smart home system manages the lights, climate, entertainment, and security. Premium inside finishes. The inside is furnished with high-end components that create an opulent living space, such as solid surface countertops, elegant cabinetry, and upholstery that is both pleasant and long-lasting. Sophisticated safety features. As anticipated from GMC, the RV will have a number of sophisticated safety features, including as lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system to help with parking and maneuvering. With its unmatched hauling capacity, flexible living area, and tough performance, the 2027 GMC Raptor 4x4 multi-flex hauler RV is a major advancement in RV design that offers adventure without sacrificing any of these qualities.